Now I'd like to show you how to load the tool. With all your Paslode nails, for this tool comes a top hat IM45 fuel cell. Simply open the fuel cover, move the arm, place the fuel into the tool, gently place the arm back down and close the cover. So let's load the nails into your coil. Carefully open the coil using 16-degree angle coil nails. Locate over the spindle. Make sure that the nails sit within this area here. Carefully close the cover. Ready to go. You can then take your battery. For safety reasons, we always say battery is the last thing in and the first thing out. First click, tool isn't live. Second click, the tool becomes live and is ready to go.